Oh my god, guys, we hit 750 subscribers. We're back with another video today, and today's video is the best car to buy in 2023. You can't tell by now, it's the Accord.
Play that goddamn intro.
Yes, guys, we're back with another banger today. You know, the last one did not too bad. Well, not the last video, but a few videos back why the Lexus IS200 is the best car, sorry, for 2023. So, you know, it's almost on 5k views. We're on 760 subscribers. Let's hit 1,000 by the end of the year, guys. I know we can do this. I'm gonna keep posting my shorts, and hopefully we're gonna get another viral one. Maybe this will go viral, who knows. Please like, comment, subscribe, you know, if you like today's video, and share, and maybe check out my other videos. So yeah, I'm trying to slowly build, you know, like a big good community of online car kings like you and I, yeah, so we can take over and decide once and for all what is the best car, or like what is everyone's favorite car, what it's like in another place. You know, for example, the S200 in Japan is different to here in Europe, but that's where you guys come in, leave comments, let me know, you know, that's why it's quite important. Anywho, I digress. We're here to talk about the Honda Accord. Yes, you heard me correctly, the Honda Accord. Why that's the best car in 2023, or should I say 2024? We're almost there. So let's start on number one. It's very reliable. Alright, Honda has a reputation for producing reliable cars. If you guys do not know that, it's on par to Toyota. If anything, it could be more reliable. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. Alright, it's long-lasting performance and dependability. Many owners will tell you that. Alright, not even that. It's fuel efficient. Alright, well, obviously there is some that are fuel efficient. Some are. It depends how you drive as well. But it is very, you know, it's very out there. The Accord is known for its fuel efficiency, shall we say. You can get the old styles, you know, the 1990s style days. In my opinion, they're the proper JDM deliciousness car. That type, yummy. But nowadays you're gonna get the newer ones, obviously for cheaper and things like that, because the JDM price, JDM hike, increase, whatever you call it, the JDM tax pushes that old school one up. Nonetheless, the Honda Accord is obviously comfortable and has interior quality. Okay, it's very well designed, and they have looked to try get the interior very pleasant for your driving experience, I'll say, you know. Another thing, obviously, for us young drivers and whatnot, insurance is quite cheap as well, so that's good. You got nice insurance, nice road tax, fuel efficient, everything a young person would want for a first time buyer, first time car driver even. I'm trying to hit everyone, you know, I'm trying to hit why it's good for everyone really, from the old person to the new, to the young, to the middle aged, whatnot. The Honda Accord, it's just got comfort, it's got longevity, it's got fuel efficiency. It's just a nice drive. It looks cool for the young kids. You can modify it to look even better for the young ones out there, you know, like you can see in these videos. Not is that the only thing? No, that's not the only thing. These actually keep their value as well over time. So when you do plan to resell or trade the car in, it's still going to be over its value. If you buy right, obviously. If you buy brand new and it comes out of the showroom, of course, you're going to lose some value straight away, depreciation and whatnot. When you buy it used, you'll be alright, not too bad. Now, next, the more important stuff, I guess, the handling and performance. Alright, the Accord is known for its balance and responsive handling. Alright, it's very smooth and enjoyable driving experience. That's what we all want when we're driving, especially if we're a bit, you know, crazy when it comes to driving, in and out of things, in and out of everything, in and out of those women you're gonna be in when you drive one of these bad boys. Anyway, so the best thing you want to know why this is the best car is because it's got the perfect body style, you know, performance, technology, and like it's not crazy new, it's not crazy old. It's like mustard. You either love it or hate it, and I feel like a lot more people love it than hate it, sort of things, you know. And yeah, it's always got positive reviews from experts, from owners, for its reliability, performance, and value for money. If you've got a local, Honda dealership next to you, go check it out. Go check out the Honda Accord. Look at this one right now, just dropping down low, modified, delicious, got a cool little number plate, and what more do you really want? Because look at it, look at this guy, the way he's doing this. Beautiful, very nice and clean. And it's not just to say you can only get it like one way or another. You can get so many different things. You have underglow, you can have a lip kit, you can have a front bumper, chrome dish wheels, lowered on suspensions, or even bags. Look at the headlights. Look, this guy's got a clean engine bay. God, do I even need to tell you? Like, this is very clean. Obviously you don't need to go to this craziness level, but there is that. But there's also other styles, such as this. Just look at the exhaust pipes on the back of this one, boy. But we're going to get to the back part. 1 second. Let's look at the front part really quick. It's obviously chunky funky. We like a bit of chunky funky and bunky tunky, right? It's got the chrome handles, chrome wheels, alloys, rims, and the chrome tips at the back, looking fat. And that's how it do, that's all you gotta do. Even though it's red and stuff, you really want it to be popping. It's got fully tinted windows and whatnot, so these aren't too new and they're not too old. So yeah, that's what makes this good. So this is just an example of what you guys can do to your Honda Accord. And what shall we talk about next? I think we should talk about pricing if you are looking to get one. About the pricing, guys, let's see, depending on what you want, what you're looking at. I think there's an £800 Honda Accord right next to me. It's in pounds, guys, because I'm in Europe, whatnot, UK, you want to call it. And if you're not from the UK, convert the pounds into dollars, it's probably $1,000. Very, very cheap. 2001, 100k mileage, 150 brake horse, really crazy. One owner, manual. Honda Accords aren't your drifty boys. They're not like your crazy cars. They're just meant to be built nice, a little cruiser, really cool. It's £800 one, bam, great bang for your buck. 2.3 litre 2.3i, whatever you want to call it. That's the old school type. Alright, if you're into that, boom, I'd get that, get a nice little kit on it, and bish bash bosh, it's beautiful. Alright, that's £800. Let's up the budget a little bit, let's double it and give it to the next person. You know what they say, for 2.5k, 2k ish, you can get a good Honda Accord with about 70k miles, 2005, and 153 2 litres auto, ULEZ as well. We all know about that ULEZ tax. Not trying to be destroyed by that. So that is another thing to consider now. So of course, Hondas and the Honda Accords, some are ULEZ and some aren't. So maybe that's something you need to look out for if that's something you're looking to get into. But that is very important, guys. So let me know if I've missed anything. I think I've covered everything. Modifiable, cheap, reliable. Well, not cheap depending on your budget. It can fill out either budgets. Perfect for everyone, all individuals, comfortable, lovely to drive. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you thought of today's video. Please like, subscribe and share.